Here's how you can download iOS 17 public beta on your iPhone. But before we begin, keep in mind that this update is available for iPhone XS and later models. Let's get started. First, open your iPhone settings and scroll down to General. Tap on it to access the General settings. Next, look for Software Update and tap on it. Inside the Software Update menu, you might find an option called Beta Updates. You should now see iOS 17 listed there. Select it to continue. Now, go back to the Software Update page, and you'll find iOS 17 public beta available for download. Tap on Download and Install and wait for the process to complete. It may take around 30 minutes, so be patient. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed iOS 17 on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.